Hey there traders, my name is Reena. Welcome back to Faith Global FX, our official YouTube channel in the world of forex trading. So in our previous video, you have learned about the differences between crypto trading and forex trading. So in this video, we are going to learn the mistakes you need to avoid into forex trading and how you can fix them. So to become a successful trader, you need to avoid these 4 deadly points into your forex trading journey. Let's get started. So that leads to our first point, that is getting focused on one market. To be focused on just one market rather than going into different markets. There are different markets into the industry. For example, we have futures, indices, forex, crypto, stocks and bonds. So these markets have the unique opportunities, but getting into the market differently is the biggest mistake that a trader does. And this mistake is also known as shiny object syndrome. Always remember, less is always the more, and if you're focused into 100 things at the same time, then you're simply not going to have any growth. So the second common mistake that every trader do is to seek a proper mentorship. Apart from going to different mentorship, if you find one mentorship, it will help you provide valuable insights, guidance, and it will help you improve and accelerate your learning curve, while also help you avoiding the common pitfalls you face into the world of forex trading. So the third common mistake that every trader does into the forex trading journey is to not remain consistent into their trading plan. So the only solution to this is to stick to your trading plan. How will this help you is that rather than getting and chasing your profits, what you can do is you can remain disciplined and get the consistency to improve your forex trading level, because at the end, consistency is the key to success. So the fourth common mistake that every trader does into their forex trading journey is to chase the get-rich schemes. By get-rich schemes, what you mean is to get rich overnight. So you should always avoid falling for overnight riches and unrealistic expectations, since trading is a journey that requires patience, perseverance and continuous learning. So you should always focus on building solid foundation for sustainable success. So at Faith Global FX, we are dedicated to provide you with the tools, resources and the risk management techniques that will help you become a successful trader and how you can avoid these mistakes with our platform. So please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification bell icon to get more updates on the videos. Thank you so much.